In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Smartsheet with Teams. We'll walk through this directly inside Smartsheet using one of your existing project sheets. Go ahead and open your project sheet in Smartsheet so you can follow along. You should be looking at the standard grid view of your sheet with your rows, columns, and all your existing data. At the top of the Smartsheet window, find the Automation menu in the toolbar. This is where Smartsheet lets you build rules that react to changes on your sheet, and it's also where the integration templates live. Click on Automation to open the dropdown. From that menu, choose the option called Create from Template. Using a template is the easiest way to set up a clean, working integration without having to build a rule from scratch. When you click this, Smartsheet will open a gallery of pre-built workflow templates. In this gallery, look for the template designed for integrating with Microsoft Teams. In your view, this option is highlighted. Click on that highlighted Teams integration template to select it. This tells Smartsheet you want to create an automation that sends updates from this sheet into a Teams channel. Once the template details load, click on Use Template. This creates a copy of the workflow in your sheet so you can customize it without affecting anything else. After you do this, Smartsheet will open a configuration panel for the new workflow. Here, you'll see a few fields and options that are currently highlighted. Click on the highlighted sections to review them. Typically, these will include what triggers the notification, such as when a row is added or changed, and what information will be sent to Teams. Take a moment to make sure the triggers and message content match how you want your team to be notified. Next, look for the field where you connect to Teams. Click on the highlighted control to move to the area where you choose which Teams organization to use. You'll see an option labeled Select an Organization. Click on that dropdown. In the menu that appears, choose Add Organization. This is where you link Smartsheet to your Microsoft Teams environment. Follow the prompts to sign in with your work account if needed. Once it's added, select that organization from the list so the workflow knows where to send messages. When everything looks correct, go to the bottom of the workflow panel and click Save. This activates your new automation. From now on, when your defined conditions are met on this Smartsheet project, updates will automatically flow into the Teams channel you've connected.